evolution of our rotary phone to the present smartphone with more than 20 devices, applications in the palm of our hands. The smartphone's journey as a technological marvel has been incredible, particularly in its ability to replace and improve upon so many functions we used to rely on separate devices for. Here's a glimpse into how it conquered these functionalities over the last 8 decades. Telephone. This core function has constantly improved. Early smartphones in the 1970s offered basic calling, but features like video calls, conference calls, and voicemail have transformed how we communicate with global reach. Camera. From bulky Polaroids offering instant photos and high-resolution cameras using film rolls to handy video cameras, smartphones have integrated high-quality photo and video capabilities. We can now edit photos, share them instantly, and even make professional-looking videos. Typewriter. Smartphones replaced the need for dedicated typewriters with virtual keyboards and touchscreens. Email, messaging, and note-taking apps make communication and document creation much faster and more convenient. Book. E-readers on smartphones allow us to carry entire libraries in our pockets. We can access millions of books, magazines, and audiobooks, along with dictionaries and reference materials. Notebook. Gone are the days of physical notebooks. Notes apps allow us to jot down ideas, create checklists, and even record audio notes. These notes can be easily searched, organized, shared, and stored in the cloud. Newspaper. News apps deliver real-time news updates, eliminating the need for physical newspapers. We can access news from various sources and personalize our feeds for a more curated experience. Radio. Streaming services provide access to radio stations worldwide, along with podcasts and on-demand music. TV. While not a complete replacement, smartphones offer streaming services and mobile TV, allowing you to watch news, shows, and movies on the go. Tape recorder. Voice recording apps have replaced the need for bulky tape recorders. We can record lectures, meetings, or even musical ideas with ease. Computer. Smartphones offer a wide range of capabilities traditionally found on computers. We can browse the internet, access email, edit documents, play games, and use a variety of productivity apps. Clock/watch. Smartphones are digital clocks, and some even have built-in watch functionalities, often with alarms, timers, and stopwatches, and display the calendar too. Library. E-readers, audiobooks, and online libraries turn smartphones into vast digital libraries, but with the added benefit of searchability and portability. Photo album. Photo and video storage apps have replaced the need for physical photo albums. We can store, organize, edit, and share our memories digitally. Telegraph. Text messaging, SMS, on smartphones fulfills a similar function to the telegraph, allowing for quick, short, more interactive communication. Educator. Educational apps, online courses, and instant access to information make smartphones powerful learning tools on any subject. Route map. GPS navigation apps have made physical maps nearly obsolete. We can get turn-by-turn directions, real-time traffic updates, and even explore new locations with ease. Encyclopedia. Search engines and educational apps provide access to a wealth of information on any topic, similar to an encyclopedia, but with the advantage of being constantly updated. Flashlight. Every smartphone has a built-in LED light that can be used as a flashlight in low-light situations. Calculator. Calculator apps come pre-installed on most smartphones, offering a wide range of mathematical functions beyond basic arithmetic. The smartphone's journey from a simple phone to a pocket-sized marvel has been remarkable. It replaced bulky cameras, typewriters, and notebooks, becoming a communication, entertainment, and productivity hub. Newspapers, radios, and TVs are now accessible through apps, while maps and encyclopedias are built in. The future promises an even bigger leap with AI integration. Imagine a phone that anticipates your needs, personalizes your experience, and even helps you with tasks before you ask. AI can create a hyper-personalized world with intelligent assistants, proactive recommendations, and seamless AR/VR experiences. From healthcare and education to security and citizen science, the possibilities are vast.